Washing your car or washing your feet?
Yeah.
There she is. Now we're not so backlit. Ooh, scrubbing the floor too. Were you writing with chalk? Gonna clean up your chalk? You're just on a cleaning binge. It's Saturday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. Pretty cool for end of May.
How'd you know that was Daddy's bike?
Are you washing Daddy's bike, Jenna? Jenna, whose bike is that?
Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy's bike.
Where's my bike?
I don't know.
Daddy.
Is that your bike?
You want to ride your bike? Show me how you can ride your bike. Alright.
Looks like a little wind-up toy.
I know. You want to show me how you can mow the lawn?
She's good at this. Unfortunately, it doesn't work very well on the lawn. Actually, Jenna's a squirrel, sweetie. A squirrel. Kind of looks like a mouse, doesn't it?
Much bigger than a mouse.
Oh no, she's coming after me. I'm chased by a mad lawnmower.